What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and we are going to be doing a reaction to the movie called The New Mutants. It's coming out April 3rd, 2020, so we are ahead of the game.
We are super, almost a year ahead, huh?
Yes.
Well, not really, but almost a year. It's already April, but action and adventure, such as da-da-da-da-da-da-do-da-da-do.
Okay, anyways, we're going to get right into this reaction video, so...
I'm gonna ask you a series of questions. I want you to respond truthfully. Have you ever hurt someone?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look like it. Cemetery,
yes.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Have you ever experienced anything you'd consider abnormal? Yes. Last question. Do you know what mutants are?
Oh, this is a Marvel movie.
Did you know baby rattlesnakes are more dangerous than adult ones?
Mm-hmm.
They haven't learned how to control how much venom they secrete.
Keep stabbing.
All of you are dangerous. That's why you're here.
Oh yeah, you barely got one hand. You keep walking towards it.
Don't go over there.
Put him in there.
Stop. See how much you play with him.
What is this place?
She's in the hospital. It's a haunted house.
A haunted house.
You've been through a lot. Get some rest.
Well then. Episode 13.
What the heck?
Well then, guys. Well then.
That was weird.
Well then. X stop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Well then, guys. That is something there. What are your thoughts on that, babe? I love scary movies, so I want to see that.
I don't think it's gonna be.
That's scary.
I don't think it's gonna be that scary because it's a Marvel movie. It just looks weird. I'll pass.
You don't see it? Oh, like it's a Marvel movie?
I mean, it looks weird. I mean, I'll see it, I guess. I don't know. I don't know my thoughts on that one, y'all.
I like scary movie overall, so that's what I want. That's the only reason I want to see it. Whether it's a Marvel movie or not. She ain't gonna see it, guys. I'm probably gonna see it by myself.
He gonna go by himself and he gonna fall to sleep in the movie theater.
Hell yeah, if I'm by myself in the movie theater, I'm not falling asleep.
Oh, so that's why you fall asleep, because you be with somebody in the movie theater? Oh, okay. I know his game now. So next time we go to movie theater together, he's sitting at the top and I'm sitting at the bottom.
What I mean? So what? So I can fall asleep?
So you can't fall asleep because you don't know if I'm going to get up and leave or not.
You know,
Whatever.
Anyway, guys, let us know your thoughts on this movie reaction right here. She said it's not going to be that fun, so.
I don't know.
She said she don't know. It's look weird.
It does look weird.
You guys, huh?
It do look weird.
Why?
Because
why?
I just feel like it's a typical.
It's a typical.
Shut up. I just feel like it's a typical scary movie. Anyways, guys.
This video.
In
this video right
Stop.
Here. Stop.
You annoying. Y'all, he annoying. Y'all want a brother, boyfriend, whatever. Come take him. I don't want him anymore.
I don't want him anymore.
Anyways, we're about to end this video, guys. So Subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section below.
Down below.
Also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. You will be notified first out of millions.
Out of millions.
Okay guys, peace. You annoying.